I'm gonna put him. I hear that bow thruster working. I hear that Mercury. Uh-oh, look at that. Razor cat, actually. Buddy, y'all, what in the... Look at this, Daryl, look at this. We're fixing to have a fight in the parking lot. Welcome to the Big Dan Show After Hours Party. I'm your host, Big Dan. Somebody's in too deep. I ain't gonna lie, I thought you was gonna lose the Jeep, but it recovered. Uh-oh. Hold on, cause somebody's having a bad time in lane 1. Oh, it's two. Hold on. They might hit that boat. We don't know where he's actually going. Hey, somebody just yell, Big Dan. Here they come.
Big Dan, all the way from Wisconsin.
Y'all drove, what'd you just tell me?
Drove 1,100 miles.
To see the Big Dan Show.
To see the Big Dan Show.
It's going on right now. Oh, look at lane 9. Oh! How's he gonna get it on there sideways? Mine? I'm starting the battery. Oh man. Hey, you might want to call your boy. He's in too deep. Look, this guy's running down there. Look, he's like, hey man, you can't do that.
This is what it looks like, huh?
Oh, he already left the truck. No phone. Look. He's running down there. He's like, Bobby, you can't. Look, you're in too deep. It's not going to work. We're not going to be on the Big Dan Show. You better pull that shit up right now. I ain't playing with you. Hey, yeah, pull it up. He's like, okay, bye. Look at this guy. He's got his balls in the water. Lane 9. Sure. Soggy and wet on the way home ain't gonna be fun. And look at this one. Oh my gosh. In the black Chevy. Why is everybody in so deep? They're walking.
Is that north or south?
North of Milwaukee. So about an hour.
Hello. What is it on Facebook, YouTube? What's it on? All right. Bye. Let's go. Hold on, let me.
Uh-oh.
Easy, cock.
What's going over on lane 10?
Oh, wow. 10. That'll be up on the rocks, my friend. But 9, there. Oh, look at this. Oh, he's overtaking him.
Most of the no wakes on.
Dude, lit it up, son. Don't give no craps. That was good. Oh, look at him, lane 9. No, the trailer's floating. Look at the trailer. Look at the trailer floating. And lane 9, you see the guide pipes are way up high on the right and then sitting down on the left side. Y'all see that? He's yelling for him to pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Now the trailer's floating to the right. I think it just sank. All right, he's good right there. He still needs to go up just a little. There you go. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit. There you go. We're going to reset and run it again. That little boat in that rough seas.
No, because we left yesterday around 11 and we were outside of St. Louis. So we haven't seen anything.
And that's a new one here. Welcome to the Big Dan Show, folks. Look who's here. All the way from Mississippi.
We're so like
Buddy, y'all, what in the... They're like, this is great.
I'm gonna call you rental boy.
Yeah.
Oh, watch the Jeep. Golly, that was a quick jackknife. I didn't even see it coming. Did y'all see that?
Oh yeah.
Did you?
Dude, they floored it. That is a little trailer.
I think it's the hardest trailer to back up.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hey. We'll see you maybe tomorrow.
Oh, we'll see you on TV otherwise.
No, if he's
Oh, watch out. He's going to get ran over. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, my God. The Jeep's going in. Oh, my gosh. They're going to lose it. They're done. They're done. They're done. Oh, my gosh. How did the Jeep get out of the... Wow. Wow. Look at this. Look, he's backing in more.
Dude, they were in the water, bro.
Yeah, you might as well. Just keep backing up and get it over with, homie. Oh, we got the triple wide twin 300s. That's 600 horsepower on the pontoon boat, homie. You know that thing will roll 65 mile an hour. Yeah.
Hey, I walked shit down for real.
What'd he say? He locks shit down for real. Well, I missed the pontoon boat, just missing it. 600 horsepower on the pontoon. I had to back out and reset. Nothing wrong with that. But let's see if he can get it on attempt number 2. I'm a third time's a charm guy. Here we go. Give it gas right now. Go, 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 go. He got it. For a sunset cruise on the little cat. That's a pretty sweet boat. My man's got some loving going on down there. Meanwhile, lane 9. Whoa! Whoa, what just happened? Dude, gunned the throttle and the whole freaking pontoon shifted sideways. Did you see that? Look at the props. The props are out of the water. Wow. He made the cat miss. Cat daddy. Hey, pleasure meeting y'all. Thanks for coming down.
yeah, bro.
Hey, I appreciate it, my friend. Bless y'all.
thought you was going in for a minute.
Did they get it? I think they got it, boys. I think they got it. Our captain in lane 1 is all kind of missituated on here. He is not doing good. Don't jump. No, he didn't even have to. Pontoon boat is coming back down once again. I don't know what in the world is going on, but they seem to be on there wonky or something. I don't know what's going on. I know you heard me say it before, but if I had one that was that hard to get on the trailer, I believe I sell it. As a matter of fact, I know if I had that much of a hard time, I'd sell my boat. Don't tell me they're gonna back off. I mean, I thought they were not that bad. These dudes got too much horsepower. There they go. They got it. They got it that time. Dude, I literally thought they were done. And they just dipped her back in. I'm not even believing this is real life. And the crazy thing is he don't never have the motor straight. Like, get them to where they're going in line with the tunes. He's saying we're good, pull up. That is not good, bro. Dude, you need to turn to the port side, turn left, and just bump her in gear gently, and it'll pull the stern to the right. That is not it. That's worse than it was the first time. Look at that. Does he even know that every time he gives it gas, he's got his wheel turned? Still ain't got it. They need a magic tilt. One of our greatest sponsors here on the channel. I am a firm believer in having the proper setup for your truck and your boat. It is so important to have the right bunk set up, and that's why we trust in Magic Tilt to help us load with confidence and make life easier at the boat ramp. I mean, literally do. Oh, that is way not it. Oh gosh, they're gonna lose the whole trailer. Now they're on it the wrong way. They're hanging off the right side now. All they did was swap sides. I don't know, I'm not keeping track here. You guys probably are. How many redips is this for the tri-tune? I know we've been filming about 15 minutes straight. And I'm thinking we're probably going to either run out of battery or run out of SD card space. This is getting a little out of hand. He's pushing against the motors that are pulling the stern to the dock. Look at this, not even close. Maybe it is. I think they got it. They're close, they're close, they're close. They're close. How many of you guys are enjoying the after hour show? I know it's the same freaking circus right here, but my gosh, a lot of you guys requested more of the after hours dock party. Memorial Day weekend, you got it. Motors are running, burning up the water pumps. We ain't on straight. 600 horsepower on the tri-tune, full blown. Ain't it? Like, I don't know what else to say. I literally don't know what else to say. They finally got it. Holy freaking smokes, boys. They got it. And we got the double thumbs up to confirm that the tri-tune with the twin 300s is going home, folks. I'm not gonna lie, I do want to know why this Ram is just sitting here in front of lane 3. It's been there for quite some time, probably 30 minutes now, and it's just like in the way. People are going around it, and I don't know what the deal is. Oh no, they're gonna drag, they're gonna drag. Oh, dude, the prop, I thought the skeg and the prop were gonna drag. It is hanging really low.
Oh shit! I remember you. Big Dan! What's going on with you, baby?
I ain't got it on you yet. Give me a second. There we are. How y'all doing? How was it out there?
Hey, Jockey, we watch you all the time.
You the man, bro. We're fixing to have a fight in the parking lot. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Are you guys watching this? Somebody's holding him back in the truck. Somebody's holding him back. Look at this. That was crazy.
We about had a fight out here just now a second ago. Yeah, somebody was throwing beer cans out their window at the other truck. They parked in front of them that was blocking the ramp for a while and they couldn't get out. But other than that, people just same old people struggling.
Dude was in his underwear, man. I have no idea what was going on.
I know they were throwing beer cans at his car.
Throwing beer cans, every cuss word you can think of. Dude was in his underwear. That one ought to make a YouTube cut.
Yeah.
Folks, that is going to do it for the After Hours show. I'm your host, Big Dan. I am signing off. I am tired. I've been out here all day. We'll see you next time right here on The Big Dan Show, folks.